In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add publications to your LinkedIn profile. This simple process is going to take just a few minutes, and by the end, you'll have your work featured on your LinkedIn for everyone to see. First things first, we'll need to head over to linkedin.com. If you haven't already, open your preferred web browser and type in the LinkedIn URL, or simply click the link if you have it readily available. Once you're on the main page, you'll need to log in. You can do this using your Google or Microsoft account if you've linked them previously, or simply enter your email address and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled for your LinkedIn account, like many people do for additional security, make sure you have access to your phone. LinkedIn might prompt you to verify your account by sending a code via text message. Just enter that code into the space provided and you'll be good to go. Now, let's navigate to your profile. In the upper right corner of the home page, you'll see your avatar or profile picture. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear giving you a few options, but what you're going to want to do is click on View Profile. Now that you're viewing your profile, the next step is to enhance it by adding your publications. Beneath your profile picture, look for a button that says Add Profile Section. Select this option to reveal a menu with additional possibilities for you to explore. From here, click on Additional to find the Add Publications feature. Selecting Add Publications opens up a new section where you can start entering the details about your work. It's crucial to be thorough here. Fill in all the necessary info like the title of your publication, the date it was published, and the names of any authors involved, including yourself. Be precise with the details to ensure everything appears correctly on your profile. After you've carefully entered all the information about your publication, look for the Save button and click it to finalize the process. This action will add your publication details to your profile, making your accomplishments visible to your connections and any visitors to your profile. Just like that, you're done. By following these steps, you've successfully added a publication to your LinkedIn profile. Remember, showcasing your work is a great way to highlight your achievements and skills, so take advantage of these features to enhance your professional online presence. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this video made the process clear and easy to follow. Be sure to check back for more helpful LinkedIn tips and tricks.